Hello YouTube, this is Shiva Sapkota with another Tesla video. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla's premium connectivity. There has been a lot of confusion about when the lifetime free premium connectivity stopped, how much does the premium connectivity cost, what does it include, and what is the difference between premium connectivity and standard connectivity. So in today's video, the intention of today's video is to just show you all the features that are, and then I'm going to be doing a kind of my own Q&A topics on various discussions that I found online, as well as questions that I have been asked by my subscribers and my friends. The video will also cover not just the new Teslas when you purchase your new Tesla, but also if you purchased a used Tesla from the inventory, do you get lifetime free connectivity or not? So we will cover all of that in today's video. Also, I'm very excited about this. I have partnered with one of the manufacturer that makes Tesla's accessories with a giveaway, very special giveaway today. And I'm going to be announcing that giveaway sometime in the video. So please make sure to watch the whole video and find out what the giveaway is. So with that, let's dive straight into it and talk about Tesla's premium connectivity. Using Tesla's 4G services, premium connectivity allows you to the following features: live traffic visualization, satellite view maps, video streaming, karaoke, music streaming, and internet browser. These are available at all times using the 4G services. It costs $10 a month, and we'll do a brief overview of each of these features. There are two ways of checking if you have premium connectivity. If you go to your Tesla account, as well as if you go to software tab on your Tesla, you should be able to see if you have premium connectivity or standard connectivity. If you purchased a Model S, Model X, or Model 3 with premium interior and ordered before July 1st, 2018, regardless of if it is new or used, you have premium connectivity for the life of the vehicle that you don't have to pay for it. If you ordered a Model S, Model X, Model 3, or Model Y with premium interior after July 1st of 2018 and it's a new car, you get 1 year of premium connectivity trial starting from the day of the delivery. If you are now purchasing any used Tesla from Tesla.com, as well as if you are purchasing a new standard range or standard range plus Tesla Model 3, you get 30 days of premium connectivity trial. Here are some of the other cases. If you purchased a used Tesla with lifetime premium connectivity that was purchased privately, you get free premium connectivity for life. If you purchased a used Tesla that had 1 year premium connectivity and the time is still there, that 1 year hasn't expired, you will get the premium connectivity until that 1 year expires. To access video streaming like YouTube or Netflix, you are going to need premium connectivity if you want to access those through Tesla's 4G. If you want to connect to Wi-Fi in your garage or with your mobile hotspot, those are still available without premium connectivity. So for example, if you are at a supercharger and you want to access YouTube or Netflix and you don't have access to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, then you are unable to do that with just a standard connectivity. You're going to need premium connectivity for that. So that is applicable for all of these media player. Next, we're going to talk about music streaming. So if you go to music icon and then you go to streaming, this is not available in standard connectivity while you are not on Wi-Fi. So if you have Wi-Fi or if you have mobile hotspot, you are able to use this service with standard connectivity. And there's a trick, and we're going to talk about that trick in a little bit. But that is not available in standard connectivity. You need premium connectivity for these music streaming services. Same goes for karaoke. If you want to use the karaoke service while you are driving, you are going to need premium connectivity. Standard connectivity does not work with karaoke while driving. That is only available while you have a Wi-Fi connection and at park position. Next is the web browser. So if you want to access web browser, well, you are not on Wi-Fi, you are going to need premium connectivity. Standard connectivity, the web browser and standard connectivity only works if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Now let's talk about features that are only available in premium connectivity, and you cannot have this feature even if you have Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot connected to the car. And those are just mainly two features. One of them is the live traffic. So if we hit this, as you can see, we have live traffic. I'm in LTE because I have the premium connectivity, and I'm able to see the live traffic around my house. This requires premium connectivity. Again, this is not available even if you are connected to Wi-Fi. You are unable to access that without premium connectivity. And second one is the aerial. So if we want to see the satellite view map, as you can see, there is this aerial map. This feature is not available with standard connectivity, regardless of if you are in Wi-Fi or 4G. You just can't have that without the standard connectivity. So those are the two features that are not available in standard connectivity, regardless of if you have Wi-Fi or not. I found this trick where it gives you almost all the features of premium connectivity without actually paying for the premium connectivity. And as I say, almost all the features, because live traffic visualization, which is looking through the traffic, and the satellite imagery is not available with this trick. But what you can do is, right now we are connected to our iPhone as a mobile hotspot. So our iPhone is connected as a mobile hotspot. We are not in Wi-Fi. Let's say we're on the road. And interesting thing happens. So we're in park, it is connected to the hotspot, but as soon as I watch this Wi-Fi sign, as soon as I put this on drive, the Wi-Fi sign goes away and it's a LTE. This is because Tesla doesn't want you to be connected to Wi-Fi while driving. But because if you don't have Wi-Fi and if you only have standard connectivity, you are unable to use the music streaming services or karaoke while you are driving, right? So you lose that feature. Now to get that feature, what you can do is, while you are on drive, if you press on the LTE and if you go to settings, Wi-Fi setting is off right now, turn it on and just give it a second for it to find your phone. So the iPhone is found and it will automatically connect. So it connected to the iPhone. Now you have Wi-Fi while you are driving, and you are able to use the streaming, karaoke, web browser and such while the stock is on drive. Now while you are parked and you don't have Wi-Fi, you can still use this personal hotspot to, well, let's say in a supercharger, you can still use your phone's personal hotspot to access YouTube, Netflix and such. But a cool thing about using this trick is that while you are driving, the Wi-Fi is on and you are able to use the streaming and karaoke service so that you can listen to the music while you are driving just using your personal hotspot without the premium connectivity. It is time to announce the giveaway. If you are a Model 3 owner, you are aware that unlike Model Y, our Model 3s don't come with automatic trunk and frunk. So what I have done is added an aftermarket accessory, a lift, to be able to do this, where it lifts up, and then if we go to the trunk, it lifts up too. So to be able to do that, you have to add an aftermarket accessory, that is where Arana comes into place. I have partnered with Arana, the company that makes premium lifts for different cars, including Tesla Model 3. Check them out in Amazon. I purchased these lifts a while back for my Model 3 and they have worked really well so far. So that we are going to select one lucky winner from this giveaway, and Arana will send you one free set that includes 4 lifts for both trunk and frunk to a subscriber in the US. The rules are pretty straightforward. You must be a subscriber to my channel. If you are not, please consider subscribing now to be entered. And then hit the like button and then comment below what you would like to see in my next video. And the final requirement is you must follow me on Instagram. That is the only way I would be able to reach out to you and ask for your address so we can send you a free set of lift. Now, if you don't want to test your luck, I have this amazing deal going on with with Arana, where if you click on the link below, it's the exclusive coupon, and use the coupon that is provided in the description, you will get 45% off on the Automatic Trunk and Frunk lift, on top of whatever the Amazon promotion is going on. For this giveaway will end on Sunday, July 26, midnight Eastern Time, as well as the 45% coupon will expire on that night as well. So good luck, and can't wait to hear from all of you guys. Let's cover some of the Q&As here. Will cars with standard connectivity still receive over-the-air software update? Yes, that does not change. If you have in standard connectivity, does it affect in-car maps and routing? No, even though you don't see the live traffic visualization, Tesla is still taking that into consideration in the background, and it will still give you the fastest route considering all the traffics along the way. What music and media are available with standard connectivity? Standard connectivity, you can still use the FM radio, Sirius XM. If you're in North America, you can still play back from a USB drive, and you can play music streaming over Wi-Fi. Do connectivity plans affect autopilot? No. So regardless if you have standard connectivity or premium connectivity, autopilot is not affected at all. Alternatives to premium connectivities are you can use mobile hotspot, as I explained in my video. You can use a USB drive to play music, or you can connect your phone using your Bluetooth and you can play your music. For example, if you have Apple Music, YouTube Premium, you can play all of that using Bluetooth while driving. So that was premium connectivity versus standard connectivity. The trick on how you might be able to get away with standard connectivity and additional feature using your mobile hotspot, and the giveaway. So please don't forget to enter for the giveaway, and let me know what video you would like to see next. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, go watch other videos in my channel. It really helps get more videos to you guys and bring more quality contents in the future. I really do appreciate all of your support, and I hope to bring more educational content in the future for you. Until next video, namaste.